It's the start of the day. Your calendar is full, your inbox is fuller. You check emails for updates. You open the shared drive to find the latest version. You check a spreadsheet to see what's overdue. You message someone to ask if a review is complete. Managers chase status updates. Associates search for documents. Partners lack visibility. This is operational friction. Stop managing files and start managing advisory context. M-Files for Tax Advisory changes the starting point. Instead of organizing work around folders or disconnected systems, it organizes everything around the engagement itself. One engagement, all related documents, all tasks, all reviews and approvals connected. Inside each engagement, work is structured clearly. Tasks drive day-to-day execution. Review assignments coordinate document review. Approval assignments manage formal sign-off. Partners see portfolio health and pending approvals. Managers see progress and bottlenecks. Associates see exactly what to do next. Governance is always on in the background, managing permissions, lifecycle control, and auditability. And because it enhances Microsoft 365 and connects to your existing systems, you don't replace everything, you bring it together. AI only works when it understands context. Because documents, tasks, and engagements are connected, AI can surface what matters, summarize key information, and suggest next steps inside the work itself. No guesswork. The result? Less chasing, faster review cycles, stronger audit trails, clear ownership, more confidence in engagement status. Work moves forward without friction. Advisory firms don't need more tools. They need engagement clarity. Stop managing files and start managing advisory context. See M-Files for Tax Advisory in action today.